Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. I'm at Aldi. It's another Monday, and I have my week of groceries to get. And I'm going to be honest with you. Today, I did not want to go grocery shopping. I have this cold that's lingering that will not go away, and I wanted nothing more than to just stay at home and do nothing. But I'm an adult, and I have to feed my family. So at Aldi, we are. There will be a mini Meijer haul after I go to Aldi. I know there are things that I will not be able to get here that I need for this week. So after Aldi is Meijer, after Meijer is the meal plan, and any recipes I use will be linked below. Let's go. Right when I walk in, they have these pools. They're $8.99, and then they have different ornamental trees. Seem like a really good price, $14.99, $9.99 shrubs. Always have random things right when I walk in. This is new family size ridge potato chips. I'm not gonna get them, but $2.59, that's a pretty good price. My son's lunch that I make every single school day for him, $1.95. I need these. We ran out of salsa last week, so I need more of that, $2.35. And then the salsa con queso. I probably have enough for his lunches, but we're also gonna have baked potatoes, and we like this for that as well, $1.99. Okay, does this mean it's $4 off? Because I would buy that for 99 cents and stick it in my freezer, even though we don't have paninis on the meal plan. I don't know if that means $4 off, because today is the day, or if it's $2 off. I was hoping I'd find something pretzel-y, but I'm not seeing any pretzels. I'm making a broccoli cheese soup, and like pretzel buns sounded good with it, but it's all brioche, nothing pretzel-y. But I do need some bread for toast, $1.29. Okay, so I just asked, and she said they're actually not supposed to sell it because today's the day, but they'll give me $4 off, so yay. Green onions are a must for baked potatoes, in my opinion, 85 cents. My older daughter asked me to get green grapes, so I'm gonna get some of those, $2.35 a pound. I'm making vegetable stir fry, and I love peas in it, so $2.49. I also need cilantro, 65 cents. Strawberries are $2.35 per pound. I'm gonna get 2 of them. They just are easy additions for lunches, and my kids just like to snack on them. Okay, mini cucumbers. I always feel bad when I get things that I constantly am showing you every week, but like I'm not gonna escape buying these. Like, they just go so well. We like them a lot. $1.89. My teenager also asked me to get Honeycrisp apples specifically, so I'm going to get 2 bags of these. She really loves them. $2.69 for 2 pounds. They don't have any romaine, so I'm going to have to get that at Meijer. I stopped in midweek to get some of this yogurt, and it was so good. I'm getting more, 63 cents. I'm going to get 4 of them. The toasted coconut, yummy. I need more butter, $3.69. And then we also need more tub butter, $3.45. I just tried these finally this weekend, and they were super good. I would definitely recommend them. My daughter liked them as well. My non-vegetarian liked them. My vegetarian wouldn't try them because she wasn't, it doesn't say vegan or vegetarian on there, so she was worried. My onion supply is running low, so I'm gonna get some red onions. I like to get bags that have smaller red onions, $2.49. And I need some sweet onions as well. I like that bag. $2.35. I'm gonna get more peppers. These were a big hit just to cut up and have as these are just a hit to cut up and have as like a vegetable snack. So I'm gonna get these, $2.69. Actually, no, we're gonna go green peppers. Just they're $1 cheaper almost, and they're just as good. $1.85. Green peppers. Okay, Elsie wants salads again this week, so I need Kalamata olives, $2.25. I do the romaine, Kalamata olives, pepper rings, which we have pepper rings at home, Parmesan cheese that I'm gonna get, and then I give her Mediterranean dressing, which we also have. I've shared how much I like their air-dried steak, the thinly sliced. We've been out of it for a few weeks, so I hope it's a good seller, and that means they're gonna keep it around. My son's favorite juice, the green juice box, is gone, but I'm gonna get 2 of these apple. They're $2.79 a piece. I was almost kicked out of my house for getting these. They did not like them. Whoopsie. Okay. All the Disney stuff is here, pretty picked over. Kind of messy, not surprising. But lots of it still left. Lots of gardening stuff, like a coiled hose, $9.99. Different watering wands. With different shower heads, which is nice. Foldable tool bag. Gardening clogs, only $8.99. Different tools. I've bought these in the years past. My kids love them. Such a hit. Honestly, $6.99. My kids have outgrown it, but all of them have received Aldi gardening kits over the years. And honestly, we still probably have much of the items. Oh, this is nice. A kneeling pad for the garden. I'd imagine those that garden, that'd be nice. I think this is cute. A bird feeder that looks like a picnic table. How cute. $9.99. A hummingbird feeder. Oh, that one's pretty. I don't know. Is that a hummingbird feeder? It is. So pretty. And these different watering cans. $9.99. Okay guys, guess who's back? I'm so excited. I saw this, the day and the night cream. Apparently they're the same sizes. I think they have plastic, not glass jars. They feel much lighter and they're fragrance free. So I don't need them yet, but I am happy to hear they're fragrance free. I hope they still work as well. Very similarly priced. They're much lighter, so they don't have the glass bottles, but $3.79. I'm very happy they're back. Just hope they work as well. I'm in a dilemma because I want square holders to fit in some decorative ones I have in my house, but you only get 60 for more than 160 of the willow. So I think I'm gonna pass. That's probably why I only have the long boxes. I have some of these in my house still. I need to find square. I'm disappointed that Aldi doesn't have the square refills. Oh, they're just out right now. So I guess I will wait for tissues. $3.99. I got this bacon for baked potato bar. Yummy. I'm looking for steak to make with our Asian. I liked this last time, so I think I'm gonna use this again. It's $5.49. It happened, my daughter got pickled out, so she loves these pickles, but I'm passing because she said, Mom, I don't think I need pickles this week. Okay, we have frozen chicken breast, Cornish game hens, a big old bag of 8 pounds of chicken breast, $16.99. Turkey burgers, still have the rice from last week, so not a lot of new. They have some German stuff. Oh, maybe I'll find pretzels if I'm lucky. Cabbage blend, that sounds really yummy. Cabbage, carrots, olive oil, herbs. I think that'd be yummy. I don't see the price. They're $3.29 for the German stuff. Yummy. Bagel Bite pizzas. I know my kids would love those. I just don't have really room in the freezer. I'm sure I'll be buying those as summer comes. Dino Bites. Oh, they have pork and chicken schnitzel. Okay. Again, freezer space, and it's not on my meal plan, but maybe I'll remember that. The strudels, yummy. I had the berry strudel before, really good. Spinach and ricotta looks good. I haven't had my apple blossom yet. My husband and I haven't had that, but it's in the freezer waiting for me. There's the Spätzle. So lots of the German goodies. I don't see any pretzels, unfortunately. Chicken and steak fajita skillets. Gyro kits. Oh, they have different German cakes over there. waffles that are plant-based, stroopwafel ice creams. I don't know why those were not a hit at my house. I thought my kids would love them. No one picks them as their snack. Klondike bar, strawberry, vanilla swirled cones. Always the yummies at this end. They have these cakes that look pretty good. They each have 4 slices individual. Pretty yummy. One's almond, one's like chocolate and cherry. $3.99. I'm not getting them, but they look good. Elsie is making her mac and cheese again, so I need Colby Jack cheese. $1.75. Mozzarella for $1.75. And sharp cheddar for $1.75. Now we're only making a half batch because a full is just too much. I also need shredded cheddar for my broccoli cheese soup, $3.49. $2.19 Parmesan cheese for Elsie's salads. My family will be very happy that lemon water is back here. $3.79. We all love this. 89 cents. They only had 3 of them for my favorite waters. My daughter put tortillas on the shopping list. I'm not quite sure. I think for quesadillas, $1.95, so we'll just have these. We're almost out of cinnamon. Needed more, $1.09. Gotta have elbow macaroni to make macaroni and cheese. Oh wait, no, Elsie wants cavatappi. Never mind. I think I need to get that in Meijer. But we also need evaporated milk, $1.19. My husband requested spaghetti for dinner. Easy weeknight dinner on a night that we have a lot going on, $1.88. I love Haribo gummies. The twin snakes are so good. One side is sweet, one side sour. Very complimentary. But they have these different mixes here that are fun for $1.19. I was right. All my kids loved that I bought these last week and they're gone. So I'm going to get one more bag at $1.29. I'm getting 3 bags of broccoli. Like 4 bags. $1.09 each. Some for soup, some for baked potato bar. Aldi also has these rose bushes here. They have a lot of different variety, it looks like. I see different colors, but I don't see a price. So, mystery. But they're pretty picked over, so I imagine it's a pretty good deal for those of you that like to plant rose bushes. Okay, so I'm going to get some Texas toast to go with our spaghetti. And get this one, $2.29. Okay, here's my cart. I still have to go to Meijer, but any guess on my total for the week? Okay, not bad. My total was $97.30. Now let's go to Meijer. Okay, we made it to Meijer. It's sunny out. Let's go. I'm going mini cart. Don't know if I need it, but we'll see. Oh, you're fine. Blueberries and strawberries are 99 cents here at Meijer. I should have looked before I bought them at Aldi, so I guess I'm going to get another pound just because that's a pretty good price. And blackberries are 99 cents too, so my kids are going to think we're suddenly rich with all the berries we're eating this week. I'm getting 2 of those. Nice. Okay, final tally. I ended up with 3 things of blueberries, 2 of strawberries, and 2 of blackberries. So altogether, that's only $7. Found out why Aldi doesn't have all the romaine. It's because it's all here at Meijer. So they actually have a 6-pack for $6.79 of romaine. I think I'll get that. They look pretty nice and big. Actually, this one up here, I'll get this. We'll eat it over the next few weeks readily, especially since my daughter's having it in her lunch and we love salads. So that's $6.79. Well, it's not on sale, but I don't care. I want it. Coconut almond milk. I love this stuff. $4.29. Cream of celery. I use this in my cream of broccoli soup. 99 cents. I think this is as close as I'm going to get to cavatappi. $1.89. Okay, so I would rather buy a 2-pound block of Queso Blanco, but they don't have it. It's such a better value, but then I don't feel like I have to, use it again. So I use a pound for my soup, $5.89. Again, I wish I could get a 2-pound block. It's a much better value at $7.49, but I can't. Baby corn, $1.79. My husband put cream of wheat on the shopping list, $4.89. I don't love these, but my kids do, and they're on sale 7 for $7. I'm gonna get 7 of the 4 cheese individual pizzas. They're easy, pinch meal. Now I'm interested in these, but this is 12.3 ounces, and it's way more expensive than these buns that have 12.8 ounces. So you get more, but you pay a lot more. But I want the convenience of the bites to go with the soup. So overall, I'm just frustrated because I don't want to buy 2 of these when I have a family of 5. That looks like too little. Maybe I'll just make my own, or we just will not have pretzels. Okay, here is my second cart. Any guess what's on the total? Way more than I planned to spend. Okay, so my year total was $37.47. I had a $2 M-Perks coupon, and I also did take one of the blackberries off. The second carton I picked up, when I was checking out, I realized it had mold and I didn't want it. So $37.47. Okay, so here's my meal plan for the week. Monday, we are having poke bowls. This moved from last week's meal plan to this week. Tuesday, Elsie's making the mac and cheese she's made a couple of times now. I think she's made it 3 different times. It's based on a TikTok creator, Teeny. We're gonna make a half recipe. I'm gonna have steamed broccoli, and I'm gonna take chicken from our freezer, have that with barbecue sauce, basically like loaded mac and cheese. I'm gonna make broccoli cheese soup. This is something I've been wanting, and every time I bring it up, no one in my family is like super excited, but I'm finally to the point where I'm like, I don't care, I want it. So they can suffer through it while I thoroughly enjoy it. Spaghetti, I'm gonna make that. My husband brought that up. He thought it sounded good. We have some busy nights this week, so that'll be this week. With the Texas toast, we'll have salad, really easy, jarred sauce. Pizza, Friday, we do carry out pizza usually, and then we'll have salads. I'm looking forward to that, always do. And if I don't have it on the meal plan, my kids are like, wait, I thought we always had pizza on Friday. Saturday, I'm making veggies and steak on my Blackstone, and then I'll have momofuku noodles with that. We did that a few weeks ago, and we really enjoyed it, so I look forward to that again. Sunday, we're gonna have baked potatoes. I'm gonna make the bacon on my Blackstone again. And then probably next week, I wouldn't be surprised if you see another meal that uses bacon, because I'm certainly not gonna use that entire pack for baked potatoes. I'm here editing my video, and I completely forgot when I was doing my meal plan that Sunday is Mother's Day. I will not be having baked potatoes on Mother's Day. We are gonna go out to eat. I don't know where, but mom's choice. So I do look forward to that. Baked potatoes, I can guarantee you, will be on next week's meal plan since I already bought everything and we're prepared for it. But Mother's Day, not baked potato day. If you want to see my daughter making this mac and cheese, you can check out this video right here where we documented her making it, and it also has the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.